Go eat McDonald's new Angel Reese meal? Maybe there's some Reese's Pieces. Let's eat!
What can I get for you?
I was just playing some basketball, but I got ejected. Do you happen to have the Angel Reese meal?
Yeah, we do.
Oh, could I get one of those, please?
Yeah, I got you. What was the drink with that?
I'll do a Sprite.
Alrighty, and that was that one for you?
That'll be it.
Alrighty. That's gonna be 11.76 at the first one.
Thank you. Barbecue sauce ain't for me, and this meal ain't filling me up. Rate 7 out of 10.